The graph of which of the functions intersects the x-axis at 4 different points. So looking at the pictures that I have, I know what I'm looking for is some kind of function that looks like this, this, and this, where all of these are different. Because you're looking for something to go through 1, 2, 3, 4 times, something like that. All right, so first things first. We need 4 different points. First things first, u can be factored a little bit more. So technically, this guy is x times x plus 1 times x minus 1 times x plus 1 squared times x minus 2. So what that does is that gives us a 0 at 0, a 0 at -1, a 0 at +1, a 0 at -1 with a multiplicity of 2, and a 0 at 2. Well, I'm not going to say -1 and -1 and -1. So this guy goes through for sure 0, -1, 1, and 2. Well, I'll be darned. Isn't that 4 different points? My answer is A. Now, if you're looking at B and you're thinking, why not B? Well, B only goes through 3. And this guy, technically, if you were to try to factor that, you can't. And if you were to try to solve that, set it equal to 0, thinking zero product property thoughts, you would get a complex number because you would subtract 1, get -1, and try to take the square root of a negative number. Can't do it. That's complex. So this one only has 1. So definitely not B. If you're looking at this one and saying, but this one, sir, has 4 parentheses. Yep, and 2 of them repeat. So not you. This one has the same issue as this one. And even then, you have 0, you have -3. You set that equal to 0, you would get x squared, subtract 3 from both sides, take the square root, you get more complex numbers. So it's definitely A. Right off the bat, we have something nice.